This is iRealm, the next generation of smart plugs and the first paired with a digital touchpad that allows you to set and control connected devices without having to rely on your phone to use another app. With iRealm, setup is simple. Just insert iRealm's grounded wall plug into any wall outlet. Plug anything you want to control into the wall plug. Then use iRealm's tabletop touchpad to control and monitor your home's devices. No complicated rewiring needed to install it. No app needed to control it. The iRealm family of products includes the iRealm Dimmer Plug 2.0, a modern, water-resistant alternative to old-fashioned dimming devices that allows for localized lighting control with a built-in programmable nightlight feature and ability to control portable fans. Just tap to turn on and swipe to control to the level you want. iRealm Smart Plug 2.0 provides all the features the iRealm Dimmer Plug offers, while allowing you to introduce smart lighting and small smart home automation into your living space in seconds. With iRealm Smart Plug 2.0 and its companion app, you can effortlessly control on-off functions, dimming, timer scheduling, automatic night lights, emergency lighting, and more. With iRealm, mornings start more peacefully, afternoons are more relaxing, and bedtime is cozier. This is iRealm, smart, simple, and secure home lighting and small appliance automation that's never out of reach. Pre-order your own now on Kickstarter.
Hi, my name is Ahmad and I'm the founder and creator of iRealm. We set out to change the notion of what a smart plug should be. And after more than 2 years and many prototypes, iRealm is ready for production. We're so excited and thankful to bring iRealm to life and hopefully into your home. Our backers will receive up to 40% discount of retail pricing. You can be one of the first to enjoy iRealm in your own home. We will start production as soon as you start backing, so don't wait. Please back our campaign now. Thank you for believing in us and thank you for your support.